don't think Toyota owns this one.
I said Toyota ends at they had to. That's what I told you. They had to. So Toyota just has Lexus, Toyota, and they had to. The rest, I think, after that, I think which one comes in the order after that?
Uh, Tata's Motors. Oh yeah, I think that's the one that was actually very, very much.
No, 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 no. You can't be thinking now. Why did you scatter the arrangement? If you had kept the arrangement, you'd have known which one came after which.
Yeah, no, I don't know. I do no. I think he ended. No, he ended this one.
Tata Motors owns Alfa Romeo. Eh? It can't be. I don't agree with you. It can't be. Tata Motors cannot own Jeep. Those are American brands. It can't be. So you need to go and check online because Tata is not cannot own Chrysler. Find out which people own Jeep. Then you now know that maybe they're the ones that also own Fiat and Ram. And I think I sent you. Did I? I think I sent an image. I think I. Let me see. Who did I send
Yeah,
that
you
image
did.
to? Whose phone did
You
I
did.
send it to? Tell me whose phone I sent it to so that I can check. Was it your
My sister
sister's phone?
Nash. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But our WhatsApp, he, but WhatsApp is
Don't
lagging.
know. You don't know how she saved my name.
No, if I
Search now. Search.
I think she's using it.
You said what?
Okay, though. She didn't even say she didn't even say your name.
Let's see. Scroll up. I think you'll see what I sent.
Yeah. Well, it was only two.
From those two, you'll be able to get maybe Jordan ones. Or click on the picture. Let me see if I can find the exact post. Click on the picture. Let me see if I can find the exact post again.
Marketing mentor.
Marketingmentor.in, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me search for it. Marketingmentor.in. Marketing, marketing mentor. Okay, let's see. Okay, marketing mentor is loading up now. Um,
Thanks.
let's see what they have. Oh, okay, what's in the exact post now? Um, That post looks like it's an old post too. I can't find
You
the
can't find
exact
it.
one. I can't find the exact one. It looks like it's an old post. Wait, check that picture. Does it show the date at the top? You know how those Instagram posts show you the date?
Mm. I, I don't think this one shows it.
It doesn't, right?
No, sir.
Ah,
It doesn't show.
let me see. It should. I have to scroll down looking for the exact ones. Um, let's see. Okay. Hmm, this is really tough. Is it that old? Is it really, really that old? Like really old. I don't even see anyone that looks like it.
Oh,
Okay, maybe I'm
maybe they
looking
deleted the
closer to.
post.
No, they
Maybe they
didn't delete
deleted the
it.
post.
I don't think
Huh?
they'll delete that one. I don't think.
Oh, okay.
I think it's just maybe it's because it's old, so and they put up many posts. So it might take a while before
Find it.
um I get to it. But I'm going slowly, 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 and I think I'll soon get to it. Uh, uh, okay, you know what? I think we would even do this thing faster if we search because it's not uh, there are too many posts. I'm seeing other things that so don't look like what I'm even looking for. And it's possible, like you said, maybe they deleted it, but I'm just wondering, um, you know, why would they delete it? Did they infringe anything, any copyright?
Maybe Instagram copied it. I mean, maybe Instagram deleted it because of like issue.
I, I hope so because the ones I'm even seeing here, um, they look like they deserve to be deleted. But let's see. I'm just
Jaguar and Land Rover.
search. You just use internet and search it. Who owns which car brand owns Jaguar? You know, and I think Jaguar is owned by I
Land
think
Rover.
Jaguar is Tata. It's Tata that owns it.
Also Land Rover.
Uh-huh.
What about what else? Lexus, Hino, and Sen. Oh, we don't even have that.
Oh, okay. I've seen it.
Oh, you found it.
Seen it. Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay.
Car brands that are owned by other car brands. Okay.
Sure. We
So let me see what you even have said. Um, okay, you want me to share my screen?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you see my screen now?
Uh,
Can you see my screen?
no. Oh yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
Okay. So this one was
Uh,
Volkswagen Group. The last one for Volkswagen is Porsche. Let me see. Okay,
Okay, let me
yes.
just.
So
Gosh. Okay,
so
BMW Group.
that's BMW Group.
Rolls Royce.
It ends with Rolls Royce. Is that what you have there?
Mini. No, actually, no. Do they wait? Do they own AMG?
No, no, they don't.
Okay. Oh, that's BMW Group.
Yes, this one is BMW Group.
Okay, okay, I've done it now. Now the next one, Mercedes Benz.
Yes,
Okay,
Mercedes-Benz
I've
is
done that
just
one. We got that one right.
okay. How about this one?
Lex, Lex, Lexus. Yeah, we got that as well.
Okay. How about this one?
Um,
Stellantis.
wait, let me Stel, Stel, Stellantis. Okay, they own Jeep, Ram, Flat. They add that Alfa Romeo. Okay, so
Have you,
next one.
have you gotten that one?
Yes, sir.
How Tata is just three. Jaguar, Land Rover, and Tata.
Okay, okay, I
Have,
got that one.
have you gotten it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
General Motors.
Wait, give me a second. Jenny. Okay, what? Okay, sir. Wait. Oh, no, no, wait. Okay, sir. Yeah. Next one.
Hyundai or Hyundai. I don't know the correct pronunciation.
Intergenesis.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Next one. Okay.
Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi.
So, give me a second. Okay, sir.
Okay. All right.
Next one. Geely. Volvo Lotus. Okay. Okay, sir. Next one. Okay. Okay, I've done it.
Okay. That's it. Okay. Let me Okay, so you can share your screen now. So the aim of this
Also, sir,
exercise,
for these ones, I didn't see. I don't think there was any for these two.
for which ones?
These two,
Maserati.
Mazda, yeah, and Seller. I didn't catch it.
Use internet and check them now. I think Chrysler is owned by GMC. I'm not sure, but just use internet and check.
Okay, Stellantis.
It's still Stellantis.
This one.
And I have a feeling Chrysler is also owned by Stellantis.
Let's see. Yes, you're right.
Mhm.
Stellantis owns a lot of cars.
Yeah, I guess they're big boys. Okay,
But
so
Volkswagen is my favorite.
you said,
Volkswagen is my favorite
why is Volkswagen your favorite?
because they have Lamborghini, my second dream car, and Porsche, my dream car.
Okay, I understand now. Okay, okay, that's a good one. Okay, so like I said, like the aim of this exercise is just so that number one would know how to be precise when it comes to data entry. This thing that you just did now, as basic as it seems, it highlights data entry, and data entry itself is a big deal. Let me tell you why. If the data is entered well, a lot of the headache the person who will come to do data analysis and the rest will have will be cut down if the data is entered well. But if it's not entered well, I'm telling you, it will be almost a nightmare for the person who is going to do some other work on it, on your data. So, but if we can get this part right, data entry is usually a very it may look tedious because one is just typing in things or sourcing things, but if it's well done with patience, then it will be a rewarding exercise. What happened? Your laptop needs to be charged.
Yes, I need to get laptop charger. I'm coming.
Okay. So let's get to the next bit of this. Where is the that sheet where you have examples for count if?
The
Was it under practice? Check under practice. Let's see examples for count if. So what we want to do is okay. Let me see. Nice. Put your click on that cell K2. Let's see
book. So,
something. It's not
I
charging.
accidentally, no, I accidentally removed this. You could
Okay.
have it.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Click on K2. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. The J2 is J2 I meant. J2. Okay, good. So let's remind ourselves of count if before we apply it.
I think I know. So wait, oh yeah, like it counts on here, H1,
So you
two.
specify where you want to.
Yeah, you have to
Uh,
specify where you want to go, and then like it will put vegetables because you put A2.
no, that vegetables was you that typed it. Oh. The range. where does vegetable range from? It ranged from H1. Sorry, you counted from, was it H1 you counted from?
Um, yes, yes,
Okay, so you counted from between H1 and H9, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so in other words, think about it like this. Your range will not change, but what you're counting for will change. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
Simeon, I can't hear you again. Your voice
Yes,
was
sir.
sounding louder.
I said,
Okay,
yes, it is.
okay. All right, I hope you are good, Sha.
Yes, sir.
So the range will not change, but what you're counting for, that's the thing that you're looking for. In this case, what A2 is. So let's put our mouse over A2 and see what do you have A2. Okay, so A2 is the condition, the thing that you're counting, which is vegetables. Okay, so all right. So do you remember it now?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go and apply it now. So we want to count, of course, this is a simple exercise. Go back to count if sheet. Go back to the count if sheet. So we want to pretend like now that we don't know how many occurrences of Volkswagen. Yes, you might think, yes, we can count it. But think of a scenario where there were just too many for you to be counting by yourself. You understand? That is what this exercise is kind of showing us. So let's confirm the range. The range starts from where to where? Go to the top, scroll up to the top. Let's see. From A1 to what? To A what? Yes. So okay, yes. So we're counting from A2. I scroll down. Let's see the last one. From A2 to scroll down. Let's see the last cell under A. From A2 to A41, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So can you build your count if function now? Can you build it up? Can you set it up? Set it up under
Mm,
cell C. So delete all those things under C. Okay, no. Okay, wait. Don't delete. Don't delete. Undo. Undo. I think, Excel is not like Microsoft Word that will just undo everything. So you know what? Uh, you see all those car brands that you have there? Eh?
mhm.
Uh-huh. Let's have them represented one of each. You know how it was, when you made the mistake. Just do it like that under cell C. So you already have General Motors, Hyundai Corp, Renault, Nissan, Geely, and Honda Motor Company. Good. Yes, go ahead. Just do it like that. Then we'll put the count for them under what do you call it? Type it exactly as it is. Or I don't think you want to do that typing. I think you may want to do a copy and paste. What do you think?
Okay.
Uh, it's much better if you do copy and paste. Even that BMW doesn't look like a copy and paste. It looks different. Okay. All right. Okay. After me say this is Toyota. Toyota used to be Toyota.
Toyota.
Tyoyoda. You know that, right?
No, I don't know that.
Okay. That's what it used to be called before they changed it to Toyota. Okay. So is it complete now?
No,
No.
I don't know how. I need to make a space.
Now. Do you know what you know what you can do, right? You can
Um,
highlight. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't replace. You can
no, that was
highlight the
that was a
ones.
mistake.
Highlight, okay. Or do you want to just replace them? Or yeah, go ahead and replace them to save you time.
Oops, mistake.
Go ahead and replace. I think it's Tata Motors you want to do there.
Yeah.
Okay. After Tata Motors, you have General Motors. Okay. And then after General Motors, you have Hyundai Corporation, which is short for Hyundai Corp, which is short for Hyundai Corporation. Okay. And then after that, you have what else? Renault, is it? Is it Renault? Yeah, Renault. Renault Nissan. And then I think you have one more before Honda. Geely. Okay. Okay. What's the last one? Honda Motor Corporation. Okay. All right. Okay, perfect. Good. All right. So we'll be doing our count if under D. You start from D2. Okay, so click under D2. Yes. So yeah. So that's where you'll be forming your functions for count if. So remember, it's from A1, the range from A2, sorry, from A2 to A41. Uh-huh. A41. Good. Comma. The criteria in this case. So now the criteria you'll be picking is C. You start from C2. So the first one is C2. So close it, hit enter. Let's see. So now confirm. Does it actually count?
One,
Does
two,
Volkswagen?
three, four, five, six. Yes, it does.
Correct. So you can do the rest.
That's okay. No.
Be careful or don't mess anything up. You've messed up something. The range is the same thing. A2 to A41. But this time it's going to be C3. Yes. Okay. Okay. Keep on going. Correct. Go ahead.
Oh. Um. Uh-uh. One God.
Okay. All right. So you're almost done.
I'm done.
All right. Well done. So this like I said, this is just more like a a basic exercise that shows us um
Yes, sir. Please, can I go to the toilet?
hmm, I hope you will not stay long.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So as I was saying, I said that another function that has is a similar name to count if, but like I said, it's a slight variation, and it's called count ifs. Okay, but we're not. I feel that you can navigate your way around it. So I will really look at if we need to consider it, but with probably an example or something. But let's leave it for now, since you have gotten a grasp of count if. So the whole idea is that you are not just learning something, you are using it. Do you
Yes.
understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. All right. So um you can find your way around it, and you actually apply it to something. And I would even suggest that you look for opportunities. You can ask your dad or ask your mom if there's anything that they want to organize on Excel, data that they want to organize.
Oh,
If
okay.
it's
Yes. 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 Oh,
you know, things like that. So you see you yourself as you are entering the data, you think, oh, I think a count if might be useful here. I think an if, remember if
yeah,
the
yes.
the
Yes.
one that is if can be useful here. I think there are some other things that you've learned so far that you can also use, references and all that you can use. And when you are typing in the data, you yourself, you will see places where you can make the data much more meaningful as you're typing it in. But if you don't use it, if you don't look for opportunities to use what you have learned, you before long you'll forget it. So what are the chances that you may remember it if later on you now need it maybe for work in future or something? Well,
Yeah.
well, you may still remember it because the good
It's
thing
easy
about
to like.
something
It's
learned.
easy to learn.
Yes, yes. So of course, when you see definitions, it's easy to learn, and especially when you have done it once, doing it again, um, finding your way around it will not be that hard.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the reason why, well, like I said, we'll leave the variation. Um, I'm sure you'll be able to find your way around it if you need it later. Okay,
Okay.
so there's another function, that the next one that I would like us to look at is the left function. And if you think about it from the name left, what do you think that function will do?
Left.
Yes,
Wait, like it's just called left.
yes, that's just it.
Will it like move the variable left?
Oh yeah, now since you've already typed it, let the function tell you about itself.
Returns the
Return. Mhm.
specified number of characters on the start of a test string.
Mhm. So a text string, right? Notice that they called it a text string. So a text string can be, letters, it can be made up of letters or numbers. You understand? You're not expecting to use it for like in a calculation. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say.
I do.
So it's just text. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do you understand what this thing says? Returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. Do you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You do. I explain it if you understand it. Explain what you think it means. You can use an example before you try it out. So what I want to train you to do is that just looking at a function's description or specification, you can tell what that function will do even before you use it. That way you'll be able to tell, is this function useful for what I want to use it for? Or should I look for another one? So what do you think this function does? You can use an example and explain. Simeon, do you understand what I said?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead now. You can just give it a try. If you are wrong, then you when you a trial, actually doing something will now make you to know what you are doing. Okay, just do left A2, close the distance and hit enter and see what you will have.
V.
So what do you notice?
Like it picks out. Does it like pick out the first? Like the first one.
Exactly. So when you are silent about how many you want it to count for you, it will only pick out the first one from the left. Now try that for cell A8.
B.
So you understand what is going on now, Abi?
Yes, sir.
So maybe you want to try one more. Which one do you want to try?
Stellantis. Don't know how to say it. Stellantis.
Yes, Stellantis.
Oh, Vips.
Okay.
VBS.
Okay. So
Volkswagen BMW. Stellantis.
mm, okay. So you can see how this function works. Now, if you notice, this function has two parameters. So let's the next one you will now do is uh, um, with the two parameters. So you know what? So that we will know what we are doing. At the top of that cell, column D, type demonstrating count if.
Where?
At the top, D1, under D1, just type demonstrating count if. Or no need. Okay, don't put demonstrating, just put count if. Count if. Okay, then under for E1, type left.
So, the
Uh-huh. So we'll know which function we were demonstrating because this thing doesn't really show the function except if you click on the cell. Okay, I continue what you are doing. So we want to demonstrate left now, but this time we are using what? The second parameter, which is number of characters. So you can start with that same V, A2, yeah, comma. So how many characters do you want from the left? It's up to you now. You can choose. Okay.
Vol.
So do you understand what is going on now?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So when, like I said, when you leave out the second character, the second argument, sorry, it assumes one, isn't it?
Yes.
And picks only the first one from the left. Then when you now specify how many characters you want, it goes for those number of characters, but from the left-hand side. So you can try that for some more. So this is more like picking out, you know, parts of a cell. So you don't want the whole thing, the whole cell. You want only maybe the first 15 characters. It's your choice. It's all about what you want to see. So this is for you that sometimes you may not need all the things in a particular cell. So you now know what to do. So you have to know the particular cell that you need. Then that will be your first what do you call it? Argument. And then how many you need will be your second argument. Okay. Was that what you were expecting to see?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So did I give you note for count if?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you with your notebook there?
Yes.
All right. Let me, of course, the note for these functions are short. So um
How? I think your class. You saw me up.
are you with your note now?
Hmm. Give it to your class. Wait,
Okay.
you like. So I've already written stuff about countif.
Okay, it's not count if I'm giving you. I know. I was just confirming that
Put it.
you understand.
Slash.
So don't worry, I'm going to give you note on left now.
That.
It will soon show. Just give me a minute. Have you written down today's date?
You need to go get the pen.
You don't have a pen with you.
Yes, sir.
Your pen is just like it's like you going to the farm
Okay.
and you don't have your farming equipment.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So please write today's date and then um write this about the left function.
No.
Okay. You're done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Mm. All right. So let's look at the second usage. That's one there. I'm sure you saw that place where I said, if you want to use the function on a range of cells, write that. Did you see that part of the note where I said that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let's demonstrate that. So why are you muting your mic?
No, sir.
So let's take a look at that. So
Hmm.
now when you're talking about this range, you can talk about it from top to bottom or from left to right. So let's try this, right? Let's say that you want to count all the, we're going to focus on uh, column C now. Let's say you want to count this thing that you deleted the note. I hope you really you have it in your book.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's say you want to you want to count all the first five characters, okay, from C1, from C2 to C12. So go ahead and type your left function. Yes, you can type it there. Go ahead, C1 to C12. You know how to do ranges now. Then comma. How many characters do we need? We need the first five from the left. So just put 5 there. Okay. What did you notice?
You should the first five letters of all of them.
Uh-huh. Did you notice how it sent them into the different cells, into the cells underneath each other? It just arranged them like that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's how to do it when you have a range. Now let's try, we did, this is vertically. Now let's try across. So we're going to do, you can do the same thing for, um, let me see, A2 to C2. left A2 to C2. Let's see what it will do.
What did you
Okay.
say?
A2 to C2. I'm not doing horizontally, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Then you can also do 5 characters. Let's see how it will show. Okay. All right. Okay, that's nice. So can you see it arranged it horizontally too?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. All right. So that's how Excel will do it for you. Okay. So
Yes,
do
sir.
you have any questions on this?
You know, sir.
It's just now I even noticed that you didn't spell General Motors well. But I guess you didn't it was there was no error because or shall I say there was no it looked as if there was no error because the mistake you made in the first one, you did copy and paste, so but it's fine. Okay, all right. So let's see the next function here. You are sure you understand this left function very well now?
Wait, is this a 2-hour class?
Yes, you forgotten. You missed the last one. I know that. So I told you that time that sometimes you must not wait for your mom to have to call you. If you know that there's a time that we meet, you have your sister's computer with you. You reach out to me. Your mic is muted. I hope you're not saying anything there. That's Simeon. Are you there?
I'll take it off in class. So my sister is saying that she needs the laptop.
She needs the
30 more
laptop.
minutes. I'm carrying my laptop. Yes, sir.
How many more minutes can she give us?
Minutes, yes, 30 minutes. I'm cutting my laptop. Just 30 minutes. So this is right now.
No problem. If she says 30 minutes, it's fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's look at the next one. Since we have demonstrated left, so let's look at the next one. So now, if you now know that there's a left, you should suspect that there will be one that's called right, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but we'll not do right today. Maybe we want to do something um around that. We can do right and then see what might be some differences between right and left. Let's look at another one, which is called lower. Do you have an idea what lower would do?
No, sir.
You don't have an idea of what lower would do.
No, sir.
So you don't remember lower from your programming language.
No.
Huh? You don't remember.
Oh, to convert or to make stuff lowercase.
Uh-huh. Even you did it in, I think we did it in, we had something like
Mm-hmm.
that in JavaScript, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. We also had something like that in Python. So, um, okay, so if you want to demonstrate lower, you may want to, I don't know which one. Okay, anyway, you can, I think there are some that have capital letters. You can turn them all to lowercase. So you can choose any one you want to use and demonstrate.
Excellent.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you try for a range? Do for a range of characters. Let's see what it will do for us.
Mm-hmm.
You can either do vertical range or horizontal range, anyone. You can do A2, just like you did there. A2 to C2.
Yes.
From, yeah, A2 to C2. Okay. Okay. All right. So that one has, okay. How are you going to differentiate this now? Okay. On top of the cell there, I think you can type lower. That it's lower that we're demonstrating. So we know which one we were actually trying out. Okay. All right. All right. Let's since we're on lower, right? Um, okay. Okay. So can you form a note for lower?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me just send you something. And
Oh, my brother is using the laptop charger.
will it not last for 30 minutes that she's asking for?
Oh, I think I'll put it to the contract. Huh? Who's the laptop today? Huh? What is this stuff? You
Okay,
wanted to.
Simeon.
Yes, sir.
So what I'll do, I guess she probably wants to also use it before the battery goes down. So I'll send the notes to her WhatsApp. So you
No,
can
sir, I can write it. I can write the notes now.
you can write it before the laptop will go.
Sir, he's already charged I got the charger.
Okay, all right. Thank you. Okay. Okay, can you see it now, Simeon?
Sir. Sir, you guys can use the laptop for 1 hour. I'm not using it again.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Okay, Simeon, can you see? Simeon, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So this was what I put for lower. So I will explain it. Just write it down. I just thought I should add this. So yes, we know that it is used to. I think there's something about that grammar. Give me a minute, please. There's something wrong with the grammar. Let me fix it. So the lower function is used to convert, I think, yeah, it's better to say convert text to lowercase. Yeah, that's better. Instead of saying to lowercase the text. Okay, just give me a minute. Let me fix that English there. Text in a cell to lowercase is to convert text to lowercase in a cell. Okay, that's better. Yes, okay. All right, you can go ahead. So you can see that this, even though this, uh, the how lower function is used, this note tells you why we even need it. Okay. When you want to change the letter case of cell values, it's useful for when there might be a lot of inconsistency, what they call case inconsistency. Case inconsistency can be, you even have a bit of consistency in your own. Case inconsistency can be something like this. Simeon, I don't know why you are muting your mic in the middle of class. I can't make out why you're doing this. Do you realize that at any time I can ask for a response, and when your mic is muted, you can't, even if you say anything, I can't hear you. Do you realize that?
Yes.
If you want to say something, you just like when you wanted to use the restroom, you tell me you want to use the restroom, then you mute yourself or something. But I don't even know why you're muting yourself when you want to go and use the restroom. I was explaining something, and I can ask for your response anytime. So the thing about case inconsistency, like I said before, data entry is simple. It's supposed to be a simple exercise. But what you now do with the data after data entry can either be a pleasant exercise or stressful based on how the person who entered the data entered it. So when you now have case inconsistency is, for instance, now look at what you did here. When you were typing the name of the independent car brands, you see the way you typed it. Now, in fact, look at the column name, independent car brand. Each word in that phrase is capitalized. But now look at, there's a case inconsistency where you have on column C, the title of column C is having small letter I. Did you notice that? Now you might think there's nothing wrong with that. After all, it just happened in one instance. Now I want you to imagine this cell has data loaded to the hilt. I mean, like every single cell is packed with data. And some of them are in capital letters, some of them are in small letters. You know, the whole thing is a mess. If you have that kind of thing, data, when one wants to now carry out analysis on that data, it can be stressful. It can be a whole lot of headache when one wants to do that. So that's where knowing how to use your lower function can save you a great deal. You understand my explanation now?
Yes, sir.
You understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can finish off the note.
Already finished.
You finished it. Okay. All right. Okay. So, of course, like we saw back there, you can do it for one single cell, or you can do it for a range of cells, whether horizontally or vertically. Okay. Let me see. I think we've exhausted the lower function somewhat, so we can go to something else.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this next one, right? Of course, if there's lower, there will definitely be upper. So maybe when we come to that, we would see um, what that one is about. Okay, so you can guess the what if I tell you the name of this function, you should be able to tell what it does. So let me delete what we have here. Clear all drawings. Okay, text. Okay, so all right. Okay, can you see the next one? Hello, Simeon, are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so innate, inbuilt. Okay, let's just leave it. I don't know. So this is the max function, right? We can, don't worry, when you're done writing it, we can demonstrate it. I think I actually prefer inbuilt. Anyway, let's leave it as that.
Yeah. 15.
Okay, are you done?
It's 15. Mm-hmm.
Simeon, are you done?
Mm,
Okay.
I'm done. I'm done now.
Okay. All right. So this one, right? This max function, I think it will be more suited to numbers. So maybe let's look at that cell, that column that has numbers. That's D. So yeah, you can try it out. Where do you want to put it? Okay. So you know what to do at the top, right? That you are talking about max function. Okay. So yeah. So you know, I think this is a range. So that's going to be D2 to D12. D2 to D12. Yeah. Okay. Okay. And that's the highest there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it. You can see it's a very simple function that tells you the highest in a given cell. There's no or
Okay.
range of cells rather. Yes. It's very straightforward. Okay. Hmm. All right. So this some of the functions that you will see in Excel remind you of what you will see in statistics. Okay, they remind you of what you will see in a statistics class, more like. So um um what are the things that you would see in statistics class? something like mean, median, mode, stuff like that. Um, so let me see. So for us to demonstrate this next one, it's actually median. Do you remember what median is?
Yes, sir.
What's median?
Median is what's median?
I didn't
Median
know. Yeah,
median is the middle number of the
exactly.
sequence.
The middle number. Okay. So let me see. One, two. The middle number after arranging them in either ascending or descending order, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's find the median. So type median function, but you've not typed max on top of I. Please type max so that we remember that it was max that we were doing there.
Mm, mm,
Okay, all
mm,
right.
mm,
So for median function, right, let's demonstrate using D2 to D12. So it should tell us the middle number, or yeah, in this thing. So go ahead and type the median function there. Equals to, use. Remember to start with equals to median.
mm,
Yeah,
mm,
okay.
mm,
D2 to
mm,
D12.
mm,
D2, not 2.
mm,
You left out your D.
mm, 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 mm,
Okay.
mm,
So let's see. Can you check if
mm.
that value
It
is
is true.
correct
It
after
is,
arranging it?
yes, yes, yes. Abstract is three.
You know, 3 occurred more than once. So one,
Yeah,
two,
but it means this three, this one here.
which one?
That
That
one.
one.
Yeah.
Uh-uh. Mm. Okay. But it looks somehow. Oh. That means he didn't arrange it for us. Anyway, I think this thing makes some assumptions. Um, you know what? Let me write this thing out. I'm coming. Let me write it out. Because it will be wrong if he does not arrange it for us.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a minute. Let me arrange it. The
Yes,
first
sir.
one is 2. 3 occurs how many times? How many 2s are there?
More.
How many 2s are
Two.
there?
So,
Okay, there are 2 2s. All right. How many 3s are there?
three. No. Wait. Five.
5.
Five.
All right, good. Uh, uh,
Two.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many 4s are there?
Two. Two.
Okay, only 2, Abby. All right. I'm trying to arrange it so that if this thing doesn't align with what we understand median to be, then there will be a problem. So there are 2 4s. Okay. How many 5s?
And
No,
no.
no, no 5s, Abby. And then we have
No.
6.
One
6.
six and one
We
seven.
have 1 6 and 1
Seven.
7. Okay, nice. 1 6
Mm,
and 1 7. Okay. So this is what I have. If I count one, there should be 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I divide it into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I think it agrees. It agrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 is actually the middle number as we expected. It's actually the middle one. Okay, makes sense. All right. So um um let's see. Uh median. Okay. Okay, so median note for median would just be a simple two-liner. What it does is an inbuilt. Okay. All right. So you can take this down for median. Maybe we can.
Mhm. Mm.
Okay, you're done.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So um on Thursday, right? I think it's um on Thursday, maybe we can since you guys will still be on midterm, let's just take advantage of it so that you can just do the 1 hour and then and
No,
then
no.
you know that you're done. So I think are you good with the time we started today? At least we did.
No.
That was 2:30 your time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So we'll do 1 hour on Thursday. So
Okay, sir.
yeah.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
All right. You don't have any questions on what's any other aspect of this today, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So enjoy your rest of your
You too,
day.
sir.
Yeah.
Have a good rest of your day, sir.
All right.
Yeah, bye.